For all you people out there that do not know how to hang a picture without fucking up whoever's place you live at walls, I'm going to show you first person how it's done. Okay, so first of all, this is the device. Okay, see this thing? See how it works? Clips in there. Okay, just like that. Okay, so what you do, you buy these things at Walmart, Canadian Tire, pretty much fucking anywhere except 7-Eleven. Okay, so see, if you look closely, it says wall side. Pretty straightforward stuff. Okay, so this, hang on, try and get the camera aimed at my hand here. Where's the hand here? Oh, there's the hand. Okay. Okay, so this is our wall. Wall side. Stick it on the wall. Take said hook. Holds 3 to 5 pounds. This is not a marketing thing. Put it on there. Slide it down. And click. Fucking whammo. Done. Okay. So the whole thing about this, the only reason I'm making this video is because some people don't understand that these are non-destructive hangers. Okay, so how you go about this, you take the hook off, you pull it out, slide it up, pull the hook off. You can probably see the little tiny arrows on top. So how this works, you're supposed to let them hang for 24 hours. You pull up. Try and get it closer for you. You pull up. See? Pulling up. Pulling up. See, it stretches like gum. Pull. Oh! Anyways, you get the idea. So, if you live in somebody else's house, and you decide to hang a picture with these things, and you decide to take it off the destructive way, which ends up costing the homeowner or tenant or renter hundreds of dollars, then if you watch this video, you should just know that I showed you how, and if they punch you in the fucking face, that's it.